Then I showed them the EPR paradox. In 1935, Albert Einstein, Boris Podolsky, and Nathan Rosen tried to prove that quantum mechanics was incomplete because it suggested a reality that violated the separation of Kansas. They called it spooky action at a distance. I demonstrated this for Mara. I took two photons. I entangled them by making them share the same quantum state. I then simulated moving one photon to the Andromeda galaxy, 2.5 million light-years away, and kept the other in Mara's palm. "Mara," I said, "change the spin of your photon." She did. And instantly, not at the speed of light, but faster than light, the photon in Andromeda flipped its spin to match. Elias, "It's impossible," he cried. "It violates the cosmic speed limit. Information cannot travel that fast. Einstein would never have accepted this as a final truth." Traveled. Because in the above, in the underlying quantum field, those two photons are not. They are the same thing, appearing at two different coordinates. They are like two fingers on the same. When you move the hand, both fingers move simultaneously. The distance between them is the wizard's screen. It is a projection. In the quantum city, everything is non-local. This is the law of the emerald tablet. The below, the particles, reflects the above, the unified field. I then introduced Bell's theorem. In 1964, John Stuart Bell provided the mathematical proof that no hidden variables could explain this away. He proved that the universe is fundamentally non-local. There is no local explanation for the behavior of entangled particles. The universe is a single, interconnected web of information. To push Elias further, I showed him the delayed choice quantum eraser. This experiment shows that an observation made now can determine the state of a particle in the past. If you erase the information of which path a particle took, I explained, it behaves as a wave. If you keep the information, it behaves as a particle. Even if the choice to erase the data happens after the particle has already hit the screen. Time itself is a below that mirrors an above, where the past and future are already. The problem isn't that you are a separate soul in a cold world. The problem is that you are an entangled node that has forgotten its connection. Your thoughts in the below of your skull are already present in the above of the cosmic field. Sending a prayer to the stars, you are vibrating the stars from. Every act of observation is an alchemical strike on the furnace of reality.